Hello, it's Sabia from Volkswagen Fan Centre Oldham, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the ID Buzz GTX 4Motion 340 PS, and it currently has around 2,000 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning cherry red and mono silver finish, which looks absolutely fantastic with the VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. To minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful doing mirrors do fold them unlocked. And here are our stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. And as we access the boot, you'll notice a fantastic and spacious boot size without lashing rings across the surface of the floor. And to maximise your boot capacity, you can pull the seats forward, and you have your electric tailgate, which will come in handy when you've got your hands full. The twin sliding doors will reveal a lovely and maintained interior, as you can see over ISO fixed points, cup holders and foldable tables at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features. And just above the driver's seat of our sunroof, it uses polymer dispersed liquid crystal technology, allowing the glass to switch between transparent and opaque modes. And on the side of the driver's seat of our seat profile selector and power seat adjustments. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always in the correct times, alongside the window controls and the driver's door handle. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring a travel assist, adaptive cruise control and a speed limiter. And the van does come with the heads-up display, which projects information to the driver by using safe interaction. Over to the infotainment screen for a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and navigation. And to tailor your driving experience, there are many different driving modes to choose from, depending what type of driving experience you may enjoy. And here are our ambient lighting with many different colour combinations and presets to choose from, and this looks absolutely magical at night. Over to our climate controls, we have our front heated seats and our heated steering with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, and you also have your massage functionality displayed on the screen there. And finally, with this van, you do get a park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the area view ensures safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.